Hello everyone, this is Roger Lugo again, and let's talk about our final project. Hello everyone, Roger Lugo back, and I cannot believe this is our last video, huh? Very fun times working on these videos. At the beginning I was one of those who was a little scared about doing these type of things, but actually I'm pretty glad that we did it. I felt like it was more personal, more like a one-on-one, getting to know each other, finally be able to see the face of the people behind the projects and all that. The conversations were really good. I really enjoy the discussions and everything. Every one of you gave me good tips about what I have to do with my project, and also the other discussions that we did prior to this. About my project, I'm really happy with how it's finished, how it looks right now. It went back and forth between my ideas, my original ideas, and how actually ended up. I changed a little bit of the background, and actually you're gonna be able to see in some of the photos that I have the texture and the type of the final image is a little different. I decided to go with kind of like an unfinished style. Um, we when we did a discussion about our project, I thought uh, that I was gonna have the image of the person really finished, really well done. Well, you can see it from here that it's pretty detailed and all that. But if you get closer to the painting, you will be able to see like kind of drops, like if the painting is separating actually from the person. So what I really wanted to do with that is just kind of like make the person as part of the image. I didn't want the person to be, separated from the background. It created a nice separation with, with the lighter magenta that I use here. Um, but by creating the drops, it's kind of like her tattoos, they're fading away, and actually they're part of the painting. I did use good strokes. I work with very thick strokes, as I did at the with the first painting for the project. So that was one of my goals. One of my goals was to stay loose, to do stuff kind of like a little outside from the box that I normally do. If you've seen my work, my prior work, it's very detailed, very sharp. But with this one, I had really fun. Not gonna lie, I struggle a little bit with her chest, with her tattoos in the chest, because I mean, in the image, you cannot see pretty well the colors. I mean, you can see very nice colors, but you cannot see it in a way that you can understand actually what really was. And I didn't want to have just a blob of color in there, so I kind of work my way so you can understand what is a flower, what it's, a part of the leaves and everything like that. So I mean, I was pretty happy. I mean, not 100% happy with the chest piece, but I'm pretty happy. Otherwise, the arms, the tattoos in her arms, I'm pretty happy about it. I love how the skin color ended up. Even that I was doing the majority of the time, or majority of the work at the evening or night time. So colors, as I said in the first, in the video prior this one, colors tend to change. So it was a little bit hard for me. The problems that I have to work through about, sizes, the color, they taught me about how I can be prepared for the next work. How can I be prepared for the next painting? Size was pretty good. It was a little challenging for me because I've been working pretty small when I'm doing some paintings, well, like traditional paintings, and then with this one, changing size of the brushes, trying to pick up what brush was the perfect for each kind of stroke, and how much, the amount of painting, the amount of oil that I have to use, the amount of like um, the the fluid that I have to use to mix the colors. You know, some of those things helped me a lot to work in this project. So not only I did some learning about how to work the paints again, but also it helped me to get out of the box about my style and about what I do. So, but overall, I think it was a very, very nice class. I just want to thank every one of you for your time, and the professor. She did a great. You did a great job about helping us with the project and putting everything together. I think this won't be the last time I'm gonna be doing such painting with this style, and I know that a lot of you guys are very glad as well that you do this class. So once again, I just want to thank you guys. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for everything. And please don't hesitate to contact me in the future if you guys want to keep in touch. Stay in base, and hope you guys do great in the rest of your time with SCAD and the rest of the classes. So see you later, and thank you so much.